Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Laferre. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Zerky's is a violence-free zone. Take it outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not?
Be careful out there.
Wow. Another Lombax. Rivet!
Hello? Are you, okay?
No. I am broken, as is everything. Nothing can be fixed.
Improvising.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Oh, pal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
Yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Do you want to, How many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
What are you doing?
Anyway, when I heard that the rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come hear the universe celebrate your defeat?
Who was celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait! You did it!
We did it!
Oh, there they are! Hey! Rivet and Kit! Rivet and Kit!
all right. You're welcome.
Lord, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Kit should be here.
She didn't want to be.
Only because she thinks she's dangerous.
And maybe she is.
So you're just gonna give up on her? Because you're afraid?
Says the big hero who's too scared to look for the other Lombaxes? At least my fear makes sense. Sorry.
Sorry.
He's gonna destroy the dimensions.
away anymore.
I can't let you do this alone. This is the part where you lose. You two really are a couple of hot shots.
Look who's talking.
Yeah. Our dimension could use a couple heroes right about now.
Well, how would you two feel about making a pit stop on the way?
Where are we headed?
I think you know.